Helohome portable washing machine, full automatic, compact washer with wheels, 1.6 cubic feet, 11 pounds capacity, with 6 wash programs, washer, spin, dry, with drain pump for apartment, dormitory, RV, and camping. Hi, welcome my friend. With only 20.28 by 20.67 by 36.61 inches, this compact washer can be easily fitting in your room, apartment, RV, dormitory nicely. Don't worry about the child accidentally touching the washing machine. Simply press and hold the temp and program buttons together for 3 seconds. The control panel will no longer respond to any instructions unless you press and hold again to release the function. And when the lid is open, the washer will automatically shut off to protect the child. See-through LED and LED display. It can monitor the whole washing process. Don't want to choose, just press the start button on the machine. Will start automatically with the default setting, which are medium load size, cold water, and normal washing program. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.